In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat Reader PDF software to the latest version. Keeping your Adobe Acrobat Reader up to date is crucial for ensuring optimal performance, enhanced features, and the latest security updates. So let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly update your software to the latest version. First, you'll want to start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Once it's open, locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the window. This is typically represented as 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes as just the word menu, depending on the version of your software and your operating system. Clicking this will reveal a drop down where you'll find various options to navigate Adobe Acrobat's features. Once you're in the menu, you'll need to look for the Help option. This may be listed alongside other standard options like File, Edit, View, and so forth. Clicking on Help will present you with another set of options, and from there you'll want to select Check for Updates. This is a crucial step because it tells the software to reach out to Adobe's servers and see if there's a newer version available than the one you currently have installed. If your Adobe Acrobat Reader is up to date, you'll simply see a message stating that you have the latest version installed. But if there's an update available, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Go ahead and click on that option. It's important to make sure you're connected to the internet at this stage since the update will be downloaded from Adobe servers. Downloading might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. It's always a good idea to ensure that no other downloads or streams are running in the background to keep this process as quick as possible. Once the download completes, the software will automatically start installing the update. You may need to close Adobe Acrobat Reader during the installation process if prompted. After the installation is complete, you might be asked to restart the program or even your computer. In some cases, this ensures that all the new components are properly integrated into your system. Once restarted, you'll be running the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, equipped with all the latest tools and security enhancements. It's really as simple as that. It's recommended to check for updates regularly, maybe once a month, to keep your software in top shape. Updated software not only improves performance, but also safeguards your files from vulnerabilities that older versions might have had. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to update Adobe Acrobat Reader to the latest version. Remember, keeping your software updated is one of the easiest ways to protect your data and improve your user experience.